Good evening, students. Today we are going to see general knowledge, that is GK. Topic everyday science, in that we are going to see historical facts. Okay, so let's start. Let's see first one. Students, we have Ashoka Chakra in our national flag, and capital head or top part of Ashoka pillar at Sarnath as our national emblem. Students, Ashoka ascended to a throne in 273 BCE, more than 2280 years ago. He was the grandson of Chandragupta Maurya. He was a founder of the Maurya Empire. The most important event of his life was his conquest of Kalinga, now it called Odisha. In this war, there was a huge loss of life which distressed him so much that he gave up violence altogether and became a follower of Buddhism. Okay, so this was a story of Ashoka. Now, see next one. See, this is a picture of Jawaharlal Nehru and his daughter. See here, Jawaharlal Nehru's letter to his famous daughter Indira Gandhi, which he wrote from a jail, were compiled into a book called Letters from a Father to His Daughter. The book is a treasure house of knowledge, and every child should read this. See students, this is a picture of Aryabhat. He was India's first artificial satellite, was named after Aryabhat. He was born on March 476 CE, more than 1500 years ago, at Kusumpura near Patliputra. Now it called Patna. While people all over the world at that time believed that the earth was flat and that the sun revolved around the earth, but he was the first to say that the earth was spherical and that it revolved around the sun. He calculated the length of a day and night as 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.1 seconds. Modern scientists have calculated the same to be 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.091 seconds. One of his greatest contributions is the decimal system. So students, Aryabhat's greatest contributions is the decimal system. Now see Mount Everest. Mount Everest was named after Sir George Everest, who was the Surveyor General of India from 1830 to 1840. He was the first person to survey the peak's height accurately. Now students, see next one. People have been making maps since the earlier ages. The earliest map we know of were made by Babylonians and Egyptians over 4000 years ago. They were based on travelers' descriptions of places they had seen. Now the satellites orbit the earth and send back information and pictures of places which no one has ever visited. The whole earth has been mapped now, showing every part of the earth's surface. So for us now to see map is very easy. Now we have web mapping services as Google Maps. It offers satellite imagery, yes, street maps, 360-degree relating to views of streets, real-time traffic, yes, traffic conditions, route plannings for traveling by foot, by car, bicycle, or public transportations. This all is easy for us. This is a picture of web mapping services. Yes. Now see next one, students. Do you know Auroville, the international township of Sri Aurobindo Ashram, has soils poured from 121 countries of the world into its lotus-shaped urn to symbolize universal oneness. A solar eclipse can occur only at a new moon. A lunar eclipse occurs at full moon. A total eclipse lasts maximum of 7.5 minutes. Young opums are so small that you can put 5 to 18 babies in a tablespoon when they are born. At birth, they are blind, hairless, and practically shapeless. So, this is the story of Auroville. Okay, so I hope you have understood this historical facts. Students, thank you. Take care. Be safe.